Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. One of my colleagues asked me to make a video on how to remove security from the email address in Gmail. Security is very important in Gmail and it is very useful, but sometimes if you are sharing your email address with someone, a common email address or an email address which are using for any or particular organization, and you don't want to put security on it because they can also check your email. So in that case, you need not to have security. So if you have put the security and you are worrying how to remove it, stick around, I'll show you how. First, you will open the Google Chrome or Edge browser and open your Gmail account. Then you can see here either your picture or your account starting name. So just click here and then you need to click on this manage your Google account. After opening it, you can see on the left side there are a few tabs. So this is the 4-tab security. You need to click on it. After clicking on it, scroll down until you get here to step verification. So you need to click on this and then they will ask you to enter your password again to verify that it's you. So just click on next. Since I'm using the same laptop where I usually put my email and password, so it's not asking me. So it might ask you to verify it through your mobile. So if you have put 2-step verification, there you will get a prompt on your mobile and you need to press yes from your mobile. So you get to this window. Now you can see here 2-step verification is on. So you need simply to click on turn off. When you click on turn off, it's prompting you that you will lose the security. So now the 2-step verification is off here, and now you can easily share your email address with anyone. So that person can put your email and password and it will be open. And if 2-step verification is on, then other people cannot open your email address. So this is how to remove security from your Google account. If this video is helpful for you, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.